Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be covering Meta's new AI models codenamed Mango and Avocado, new underage user detection systems from OpenAI and Anthropic, and Google's launch of a personal briefing AI agent called CC. Let's start with some interesting news out of Meta. The company is actively developing two new AI models with some pretty creative code names. The first is called Mango, which focuses on image and video generation. The second is Avocado, a next-generation large language model designed for text and coding tasks. These details emerged during an internal question and answer session, led by Meta's Chief AI Officer Alexander Wang. During that session, Wang stated that Avocado will be a major step forward in coding capability. Both models are expected to launch sometime in the first half of 2026. Beyond these two projects, Meta is also exploring what they call world model architectures, which are systems designed for environment-aware learning. Essentially, these models would have a better understanding of how the physical world works and how objects and environments interact. This development comes after Meta went through a significant restructuring of its AI research organization, and it seems the company is now pushing forward aggressively on multiple fronts in generative AI. Moving on to safety developments from two of the biggest names in conversational AI. OpenAI and Anthropic have both rolled out new systems designed to detect underage users on their platforms. On OpenAI's side, the company has updated its model spec, which is essentially the document that guides how ChatGPT should behave, to place greater emphasis on teen-appropriate responses. They have also built an age prediction model that can identify when a user might be under 18. These new protections activate automatically, but adult users who get incorrectly flagged as minors can appeal the misclassification. An OpenAI safety lead shared on social media that teen safety is now a first-order design constraint for the company. Over at Anthropic, they have developed their own approach using conversational clue detection. Basically, Claude analyzes the content and context of conversations to identify when it might be chatting with someone under 18. It is worth noting that Claude is still officially intended for users 18 and older, so this is more of an additional safeguard. Anthropic is also making improvements to how Haiku 4.5 handles sensitive topics like self-harm, and they are working on reducing sycophancy, which is when the AI agrees too readily with users instead of providing honest responses. These moves from both companies come amid increased regulatory pressure following lawsuits and new teen safety laws that have been making their way through various legislatures. Now on to something from Google that feels like a glimpse into how we might interact with AI assistants going forward. The company has launched a new personal AI agent called CC. This agent compiles what Google calls a Your Day Ahead briefing by pulling information from your Gmail, calendar, and docs. But it goes beyond just showing you what is on your schedule. CC can draft emails for you, surface bills that might need attention, and create quick action links so you can handle tasks with minimal friction. One tech reporter described it by saying, CC feels like Google's first true life OS agent, and that framing makes a lot of sense. Instead of waiting for you to ask questions or give commands, CC proactively looks at your day and tries to help you stay ahead of things. The agent is currently available to paid users who are 18 and older in the United States and Canada, and you need to join a waitlist to get access. This represents a notable shift in how Google is thinking about its assistant products. Rather than building reactive tools that respond to your queries, they are moving toward proactive agents that anticipate what you need before you ask. Of course, this kind of deep integration with your personal data does raise some privacy considerations, since CC needs extensive access to your email, calendar, and documents to work effectively. But for users who are comfortable with that trade-off, this could be a genuinely useful tool for managing daily life. The rollout began on December 17th, and Google seems to be taking a measured approach by limiting access through the waitlist system initially.
Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.